Hello children. Yesterday we completed chapter 1 exercise 1.3 example number 1. Today we will start with example number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Last time we did the single digit sum, that means we need to prove root 5 is irrational or root 2 is irrational, root 3. But here see, in the irrational number some number is added. Okay, so how to do these types of sum? So we will do in the same way. We will suppose that they are rational. So let 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. If this number is rational, then it can be expressed in a upon b form. So therefore we can take two integers a and b, where b not equal to 0, such that 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a upon b. The same way we did the last term, we have to do this. Here HCF of a and b equal to 1, as they are co-primes. Okay, first remove 3 from the left side, move it to right. So plus 3 will become minus 3. In the denominator nothing is written, so we will write 1. LCM of 1 and b will be b. So here for bringing b, we have to multiply b in numerator as well as denominator. The LCM is b, so you will get a minus 3b upon b. Take 2 down in the denominator, so root 5 equal to a minus 3b upon 2b. Now here see, if this is rational, then this 2 root 5 equal to a upon b minus 3 will also be rational. Root 2 is equal to root 2 root 5 a minus 3b upon b is also rational. And after taking 2 in denominator, we get root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon 2b is also rational. But here, as a and b are integers, fraction formed by integers is rational, and a minus 3b upon 2b is equal to root 5. So this is equal to root 5. Okay, if this is rational, then root 5 is also rational. Okay, so we will get root 5 is also, as a and b are integers, a minus 3b upon 2b will be rational, and root 5 is also rational. But in last sum we proved that root 5 is irrational. The fact is given that root 5 is irrational and we are getting rational, so which contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. That means whatever we had supposed, that was wrong. We had supposed that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. That was wrong. That means 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now example number 3, is same as this sum, so you can do it on your own. Okay, let us move to example number 3, number 1. It is a bit different, so we will do it. Prove that 1 upon root 2 is rational. Single digit term upon. Okay, so we will do the same way. We will suppose that 1 upon root 2 is rational. So if it is rational, then we can have two integers a and b not equal to 0, such that 1 upon root 2 equal to a upon b, where HCF of a and b is 1 and a and b are co-primes. Cross multiply, b ones are b, a into root 2a, b equal to root 2a. Okay, so we will take a in the denominator. What we will get? Root 2 equal to b upon a. Now as this is rational, so this will also be b upon a. B and a are integers, so b upon a is rational. But what is b upon a equal to? It is equal to root 2. So this will also be rational. So that means root 2 is also rational. Okay, but we know that root 2 is not rational. It is irrational number. So this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. That means our supposition is wrong. So we suppose that 1 upon root 2 is rational was wrong. So that means 1 upon root 2 is irrational. Okay, now let us move to the next sum. Example number 3, sum number 2. 3 you have to do on your own. It was similar as example 2. Prove that 7 root 5 is irrational. The same way. Let us suppose 7 root 5 is rational. Therefore we can find two integers a and b not equal to 0. Now 7 upon root 5 equal to a upon b. Here HCF of a and b, a comma b equal to 1, and a and b are co-primes. The same steps you have to repeat. Okay, Now take 7 in the denominator. The root 5 equal to 7a upon 7b. So as we are having 7 root 5 is rational, that means a upon 7b. Okay, this root 5 equal to a upon 7b is also rational. Why it is rational? Because a and b are integers and ratio of integers is a rational number. But if a upon 7b is rational, then root 5 is also rational. So we are getting root 5 is rational, but we know the fact that root 5 fact is that root 5 is irrational. So what we will write? This contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. So that means our supposition was wrong. We suppose that 7 root 5 is rational. That is wrong, and that means we will get 7 root 5 is irrational.